In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. Let's have friendship. Let's have friendship. Sentence number 2. Abstain from obscenity. Abstain from obscenity. Sentence number 3. These clothes have gone tight. These clothes have gone tight. Sentence number 4. I could not sleep last night. I could not sleep last night. Sentence number 5. Kamal, why don't you pick up the food? Kamal, why don't you pick up the food?